Alright, what's good YouTube? I'm back again with another video, and if you see the title of this video, then you're gonna be like, oh, it looked just like it last one, okay? But no, it's not gonna be exactly the same. This time what I'm gonna do, I was asked if I could show how I tie the Durag clear, better, slow it down, you know what I'm saying? Get it right, show y'all every little step. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm coming back again, showing y'all every little step. Now, if I can't get this right today, maybe being a wave just ain't for you. You know what I'm saying? Maybe wave check just ain't a part of your routine. Alright? But I got a full Durag right now, right? It's an old Durag. I don't know when the hell I bought it. Really just found it. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get some scissors, you guys. And I'm gonna show y'all exactly how to cut it, put it on your hair. But right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair back. It's already washed. I got a little leave-in conditioner in it. Y'all see them curls? Y'all see them curls? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair back real quick. Not gonna take long at all, but y'all could get a quick brush session in. Like, why not? So let's everybody get a good 2-3 minute brush session in real quick. And I'm gonna show you how to put this on. Alright? Alright, so I'm gonna brush it all the way straight back. Y'all will probably see a little white product. That's just my leave-in. What's y'all favorite brush to use? Y'all let me know. I really be messing with the Torino Pros. I like his. You can buy these right off Amazon too. But it's a lot more brush games, you know what I'm saying? There's a lot more brushes out there that wasn't before. You know, back in the day, you get 1 or 2 brushes standard everywhere. But now so many brushes, you know what I'm saying? Let me know what type of brush I use. I might have to switch up, change out, you know what I'm saying, buy some new ones or whatever. But Torino Pros has been my favorite right now. Alright, so my hair is brushed. Make sure y'all don't forget the back. Can't forget the back. Alright. Got some in my eye. Alright, so you know what I'm saying, my hair brush back. It's looking crazy right now, but what I'm gonna do, I got my Eco. Let's go ahead and slick this back real quick. Ladies or guys, if you have here, if y'all watching this, slick this hair back. Put some gel on that thing. And there's some ways there, cuz. Alright. So I got my hair slicked back right now. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and take my headband, throw it on back. Go ahead and slick that. Slick that the way you like it, however you do your head. You know what I'm saying? Not bad. I like to shake it, get them curls loose a little bit, but I'm gonna go back through with my brush right over the front. So y'all do the same, just lay them hairs back down. Almost time for the do-rag part. You know. This right here is how I used to brush my hair all the time. I just stopped right here. I would just put it in the pony and brush it right here, but that's not the right answer. You gotta brush the waves all the way through, all the way back. It's gonna take me a lot of time to get right, but they getting there, you know. I ain't no elite waver. I ain't trying to be. You know what I'm saying? Ain't. Just slick the back, nothing too major. I'm gonna put just a little more gel on my front. And then y'all can slick, once again, y'all slick them little edges down, whatever y'all got, whatever y'all working with on them edges. Y'all slick that shit down too. You know? Alright. So this is the do-rag. Ladies, guys, whoever's watching this, this is the do-rag. Alright. Those straps, we're not gonna mess with these straps. Now y'all make sure y'all don't mess with the straps. You mess with them straps, they gone. Do-rag done. Go get your new one. Alright. Get it inside, let me get it right. So we ain't gonna do nothing with these. You fold that on up. This is the part right here that's gonna get going, alright? How I like to start it, I don't never want to cut too much off because you never know, how it's gonna fit. You can adjust it always, but once you cut too much, the adjustment is gone. So I like to cut it a little low, put it on my head, and then see how much more I need to take off. So I suggest y'all do the same thing, alright? Anywho, this is that. What I usually like to do is right where those straps start, just a little bit under that, you know what I'm saying, just to cut that off. So let's turn this a little better angle. Hopefully y'all can see this good. Alright, I'm gonna stretch it out. I'm gonna do a little surgery on it. I'm gonna lay that butt on out like that. Alright, so this is the do-rag. Let me show y'all, some of y'all might really need to know. Alright, make sure y'all got the inside line on the inside, okay? Y'all, come on. Just lay the thing out, take them straps, man, throw them things up, because you ain't messing with those. Like I said, right there is usually, you know what I'm saying, I try to get a little bit under that, so what I'm going to do, take the good scissors, and I'm going to just cut a little cross. Just cut across, just don't go too much. Ain't gotta be perfect either. So this is, alright. Your flap is gone. Now what you have a raggedy headpiece. You see how raggedy that is? It's not good at all. It's raggedy as hell. Alright. Shit raggedy. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna just go ahead and put it on my head and see if I need to adjust it. So y'all do the same thing. Alright? And like I said, oh God, let me show y'all this stuff. This is the correct way the do-rag goes on the head, right? Correct way. Y'all remember where the flap was cut, it goes in the back. But what I want y'all to do though, is flip it back. I want y'all to have that raggedy in the front. I want y'all to put that raggedy in the front, okay? So right now, y'all go ahead and measure it up and see how much more y'all need to cut. See right there, that's way too much. I stuffed it all the way to where my headband was at. Y'all can see, like, it's literally just stuffed in there. But I want to take a little more off. I'm going to take a little more off, you know what I'm saying? And like I said, I can't adjust this for y'all. I don't know if y'all need to cut some more off on y'all's, but I do. Okay. Alright, so now we have a little smaller do-rag, you know. See, it's getting real small. I already have my raggedy in the front right here. That's my raggedy. We're gonna go ahead and put that back on. Just slide it. Shit. This shit won't come out. Just slide it in there. Alright. Like I said, man, listen. My shit just slid in there. Y'all see I just fell out? Because it's just up there. Alright. So now I have it in them cracks. And I still could cut some off. Like if you think you good enough, you know what I'm saying, you Batman right now, and you just need to cut around your eyes or something, you can do that right now, but be careful. I ain't telling nobody to do that. Cut your eyeball out, show you boss. Alright. So go ahead and flip this. Alright. Now let's flip Doug. And I know y'all like, dang, once again, we're gonna do that raggedy in the front. Y'all can do whatever you want y'all raggedy in the front. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can bend it down, y'all can tuck it. But me, I'ma just let them straps cover mine up. And I said this a couple times in the other video. Damn, need some baby straps. Way by heart got the big straps. y'all need to do right, go to Wave Out Heart. He got the most variety, I feel like, and he got some thick straps. These little baby straps, man, these right here ain't gonna cut nothing. I see why y'all be hitting me up like, dang. Alright, but you gotta make do what you do. This is all you got, damn shit. Work it out. Alright, so I go ahead and tip them, tie that in the back. Tuck them straps in, y'all don't need them straps looking. I don't need them straps looking at y'all. Alright? Now you just gotta fix your straps. If they small like this one, it's gonna be a little struggle. But just tuck it, get that raggedy up under a piece. Alright. It's not the best, but you do have a do-rag, you know? If y'all are perfectionists, y'all can perfect y'all stuff and get all that up out of there, but it's simple as that. Now you have a do-rag on your head and you can be called out for wave check now. Hopefully you got it. Hopefully y'all understand how I cut it. If not, honestly, waving might not be for you. But if y'all still, like, if you almost got it, you're so close, but you just can't understand how to get it to stay, man, hit me up on IG. King.uno. I'ma have it down below. Y'all hit me up on IG. Hit me in the DMs like, yo, I need a one-on-one session with you. I need help. I hit you up. We can work it out. I can get you the help, alright? If I get frustrated trying to help y'all, it's probably because y'all like a child, a 10-year-old who don't know how to fucking take 2 apples away from 5. Okay? So, that's it.